Today we're going to try Dice Detailing Interior Detailer. I went out on the field for this one. Hello friends, so I'm out in the field. Actually, I left the shop to do this. I wanted to give the dustiest car that I could find. I wanted to give this product a shot. So this is the Dice Detailing Interior Detailer. This is the one that leaves a matte finish and it has UV blockers. So we're going to give it a try and see how well it does. But first, let me show you the car. Alrighty friends, look at that. Look at that nastiness. Look at that nastiness. So we're just going to do a quick wipe down of this dash. I want to give this product an opportunity to make an impression on me and on you. We got that sun right in your face. Okay, we got a Mo Nation towel. I want to use it on this. I think it would be kind of nice. So that's a stream. Let's see if we can get the different setting. There we go. Oh, what's that smell like? That smells good. Uh-oh. I went and sent that little boy thing flying. Oh, looky there. It did leave a little bit of a shine, but it's gonna shine. It's definitely, thought it was something bad. It's definitely leaving a shine, but I think it's gonna shine when it's clean anyway. But it is clean. Okay, let's work on this. That feels good. Feels good. So it looks pretty good, I think. It's looking good. It leaves a little bit more shine than I would expect out of a matte finish. Just thinking out loud, it does have a lot more shine, but I mean, if you're looking for the clean look, this is definitely going to clean. So I don't think I'm displeased. I don't think I'm displeased at all. Alrighty, so that is the Dice Detailing Interior Detailer. But look what else I brought. I want to see how it does on this car. I am the only person that has ever washed this car. I washed it not long after I started detailing. Kay does not wash her car. She never does. So let's go outside, see how it looks out there, and then we'll give her her keys back. But I wanted to give you an introduction and start using this more and see what kind of a job it does. So let's head outside. Bye. What do you notice? That's the side I cleaned. That's the side I haven't cleaned. This has got more of a dull, dirty look, but that looks actually pretty decent. A nice gloss on it. Okay, we gotta clean this side. I can't just leave it. I think it did pretty darn good. In the sunlight, it didn't do too bad. It did not do bad at all. I definitely got some dirt off. And now your ass is on YouTube. On camera. What for? They're in the seat.
What chemical will you use?
This is called Dice Detailing. It's supposed to be a waterless wash, and I'm trying to figure out if it works. It's leaving this,
Film.
which it does make it slick. I did this one and that one, and it looks good. It did a good job. It cleaned that up. This car definitely needs a wash. I'm gonna do it again. You watch me. But we need to do something about this. This is a Ford Maverick. Looks nice. So that is introducing you to the interior detailer of Dice Detailing and using the speed coat again. We're going to use them more, see how well they do, but I wanted to introduce you to them. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next video. Peace.